The government is telling people to stay inside and respect lockdown measures over the Easter weekend. With high temperatures expected, police forces have warned they're ready to take action against those who flout lockdown rules. After 3 nights in intensive care, the Prime Minister is now back in a hospital ward. Number 10 said he was in extremely good spirits. The EU has agreed a €500 billion rescue package for European countries hit hard by the coronavirus pandemic. European finance ministers reached the agreement after marathon discussions in Brussels. But the package finally agreed on is much smaller than the €1.5 trillion the European Central Bank had said was needed to tackle the crisis. The coronavirus pandemic has exposed divisions in Europe, with the hardest hit southern countries accusing some northern nations of not doing enough to help. In the United States, there have been calls for heightened vigilance and continued social distancing after the Trump administration talked of reopening the economy next month. The hardest hit state, New York, has now recorded over 7,000 coronavirus deaths, nearly half of the total deaths across the US, forcing officials to hire contract labourers to bury the rising number of unclaimed dead. Despite the grim milestone, there are also signs that social distancing may be working, as the state recorded the lowest number of new hospitalisations since the crisis started.
We're at the top of the hill, pretty sure we're at the top of the hill, and now we're going downward. In some cases, we've already started that process. But I think our country, from an economic standpoint, will end up being stronger than ever. We have tremendous stimulus. We have tremendous stimulus plans. We have things in the works that are going to really, I think, fire the country. I think that what's going to happen is we're going to have a big bounce rather than a small bounce.
As lockdowns across the world affect Easter celebrations, in Paris, the Notre Dame Cathedral broadcast a live service to celebrate Good Friday. Just days before the first anniversary of the fire which devastated the cathedral, a congregation of just 7 worshippers attended a short Good Friday service inside Notre Dame. A crown of thorns which survived the flames was at the centre of a ceremony of prayers, readings and music.